Save this before going to Bangkok. These 10 things can literally save your trip. Number 1. Taxis will try to scam you. A lot of taxi drivers will show you meter broken or quote you a random high price, especially near the tourist areas. If they refuse the meter, just get out immediately. No arguing. Best move, use Grab fixed price. No stress, no scams. Number 2. It's way hotter than you expect. Even if you've been to hot countries, Bangkok humidity hits differently. You'll start sweating within minutes of walking outside. Wear light clothes, stay hydrated, and plan indoor breaks. Malls, cafes, gyms, why not? Temples have strict dress codes. You can't just walk in wearing shorts or tank top. At major spots like Wat Phra, they will literally stop you at the entrance. Bring a light shirt or pants with you. It will save you money and time. Number 4. Traffic is insane. Bangkok traffic can completely ruin your day planning. A short ride can easily turn into 30 or 40 minutes during peak hours. Most people say just use the Bangkok SkyTrain or MRT, but here's the truth. For us, 2 tickets on the MRT were actually more expensive than a Bolt ride. So don't assume public transport is always cheaper. If you're solo, MRT is usually best, but if you're 2 plus, apps like Bolt or Grab can be cheaper and more convenient. Check both options every time and pick whatever suits you best. Number 5. Cash is king. Even in 2026, many places in Bangkok don't accept cards, especially street foods and small shops. I literally forgot to withdraw money, and when I got to the old center, I couldn't find an ATM anywhere. I was stuck. Luckily, I had some foreign currency and managed to exchange it. So don't make my mistake. Always carry cash and small bills. Number 6. Street food is amazing and cheap. Bangkok has some of the best street food in the world, and it's insanely affordable. But don't just eat anywhere. Look for places full of locals and high turnover. Dishes like pad thai are always a safe bet. And if you want something crazy to brag about back home, try crocodile, insects, or even Scorpio. Number 7. Night markets are a must. This is where Bangkok really comes alive at night. Food, music, shopping, everything. You'll find crazy good food for a few dollars and unique souvenirs. Now this one is my favorite. People are extremely friendly. Thai people are known for being kind and respectful. If you smile and are polite, they'll go out of their way to help you. Basically, respect goes a long way here. Number 9. Free tours are never free. If someone randomly approaches you and saying that temples are closed or offering a special tour, it's a scam. Just say no and walk away, don't engage. Number 10. Roof bars are next level. Bangkok has some of the craziest skyline views in the world. Going to a rooftop bar at sunset or night is 100% worth it. It's more expensive, but the experience is unforgettable. Bangkok can be amazing or overwhelming. It just depends what you know before going. Follow me for more travel tips. This is Travel and Tell now on. Comment below and see you in the next one.